Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Keto for You. In this video, we are going to talk about how Keto Matcha Blue can help you lose weight. If you are looking for a natural and healthy way to shed those extra pounds, then this video is for you. Keto Matcha Blue is a popular supplement that has gained a lot of attention in recent years due to its potential benefits for weight loss. So, let's dive in and learn more about this superfood. What is Keto Matcha Blue? Before we discuss how Keto Matcha Blue can help you lose weight, let's first understand what it is. Keto Matcha Blue is a powdered drink mix that combines three powerful superfoods: matcha, blue spirulina, and MCT oil powder. Matcha is a finely ground powder made from green tea leaves, which is known for its high antioxidant content. Blue spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that is rich in nutrients and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. MCT oil powder is a type of fat that is quickly absorbed by the body and is used for energy production. How Keto Matcha Blue can help you lose weight. Now that we know what Keto Matcha Blue is, let's discuss how it can help you lose weight. There are several ways in which Keto Matcha Blue can support weight loss, including boosting metabolism. One of the key ways in which Keto Matcha Blue can help you lose weight is by boosting your metabolism. The combination of matcha, blue spirulina, and MCT oil powder can help increase your metabolic rate, which means that your body will burn more calories throughout the day. This can help you lose weight faster and more efficiently. Reducing appetite. Another way in which Keto Matcha Blue can help you lose weight is by reducing your appetite. The combination of matcha and MCT oil powder can help you feel fuller for longer, which means that you are less likely to snack or overeat throughout the day. This can help you reduce your overall calorie intake, which is essential for weight loss. Increasing energy levels. Keto Matcha Blue can also help increase your energy levels, which can make it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. The combination of matcha and MCT oil powder can help provide a sustained source of energy throughout the day, which means that you are less likely to experience energy crashes or feel lethargic. This can help you stay active and motivated, which is essential for weight loss. Improving digestion. Finally, Keto Matcha Blue can help improve your digestion, which can also support weight loss. The combination of blue spirulina and MCT oil powder can help promote healthy gut bacteria, which is essential for optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. This can help reduce bloating and other digestive issues that can interfere with weight loss. How to use Keto Matcha Blue. Now that you know how Keto Matcha Blue can help you lose weight, let's discuss how to use it. Keto Matcha Blue is easy to use and can be added to your daily routine in several ways. Here are a few suggestions. Add it to your morning smoothie. One of the easiest ways to use Keto Matcha Blue is to add it to your morning smoothie. Simply add a scoop of Keto Matcha Blue to your favorite smoothie recipe and blend until smooth. This is a great way to start your day on a healthy note and get a boost of energy. Mix it with water or almond milk. You can also mix Keto Matcha Blue with water or almond milk for a quick and easy on the go. Simply add a scoop of Keto Matcha Blue to a glass of water or almond milk, stir well, and enjoy. This is a great option for those who are short on time but still want to reap the benefits of Keto Matcha Blue. Use it as a coffee creamer. If you are a coffee lover, you can also use Keto Matcha Blue as a coffee creamer. Simply add a scoop of Keto Matcha Blue to your morning coffee and stir well. This is a great way to add some flavor to your coffee while also getting a boost of energy and metabolism boosting benefits. Incorporate it into your baking. You can also incorporate Keto Matcha Blue into your baking. Add a scoop of Keto Matcha Blue to your favorite muffin, cake, or cookie recipe to add some nutritional benefits and a pop of color. Conclusion. In conclusion, Keto Matcha Blue is a powerful superfood that can help you lose weight in several ways. Its combination of matcha, blue spirulina, and MCT oil powder can boost your metabolism, reduce your appetite, increase your energy levels, and improve your digestion. There are several ways to incorporate Keto Matcha Blue into your daily routine, including adding it to your morning smoothie, mixing it with water or almond milk, using it as a coffee creamer, and incorporating it into your baking. If you are looking for a natural and healthy way to lose weight, give Keto Matcha Blue a try and see how it can benefit you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video